We're back now with more from Angie Edge from Dairy Farmers of Wisconsin as we celebrate the month of April and everything's spring, and you've had so many fresh items this month.
I know, it's such a fun time of year to have fresh ingredients. You know, we have lots of color, the tulips are blooming, and it's just a great time to have fresh Wisconsin cheese. And this is actually a really fresh cheese, feta. We make a lot of great feta cheese in Wisconsin. We're actually the leader in feta. This feta is made in Monroe, Wisconsin, so not very far, by the Klondike Cheese Factory. It's won so many awards. They're a company that's been in business actually for over 100 years. They have four and five generations of family there, and actually 5 Wisconsin master cheesemakers. So
that's
all
big.
family.
Oh,
yes.
that's so cool.
So you can see right on the package, it has the Proudly Wisconsin. It also has the Master Cheesemaker mark. This month in April, we just inducted the new class of masters, so 7 new Wisconsin master cheesemakers. But it's really the highest honor in cheesemaking, like your PhD and the years that these masters have put on with the rigor of the programs to become a Wisconsin master is a big deal.
And this is a fun recipe that you get to include it with, too.
A Greek layer dip, so fun. I can't wait for you to try this one. And it's very simple to make, too. One that you could take easy to a spring party and simple to make. So the bottom layer you can see is 2 packages of hummus, which you can find in any grocery store. And then there's also 1 layer of Greek yogurt. And the Odyssey actually has Greek yogurt as well. So that same cheese factory, they make all different flavors, but they do have the plain Odyssey yogurt as well. So we've actually spread on a layer of the Odyssey Greek yogurt, which also gives you lots of good protein.
That is,
it's very healthy as well. And then there's a mixture of lots of fresh ingredients. So there's English cucumbers, Kalamata olives, there's some roasted red peppers. You can see the colors. Actually, there's fresh mint and scallions.
Oh, wow, cool.
And then you can drizzle a little olive oil. And of course, the star of the show here is the fresh feta that is crumbled on top.
It's like the cherry on top, right?
Yes, very simple, but you can serve it with some pita chips, maybe some fresh vegetables. Just a fun little appetizer to have this spring.
I love it. Where can folks find the recipe?
Well, you can find the recipe at wisconsincheese.com. It's also part of our spring magazine, Great Pear Share. You can find this magazine online, and it has this Greek layer dip right in it. So
can't wait to dig
exciting.
in.
Yes.
Awesome, Angie Edge,
Thank
as
you.
always. Thank you so much.